Yeah, shall we start now? A sum of money doubles itself in 8 years. Suppose that money is 100. Double itself in 8 years. Double means 200. 100 it was in the beginning. Now it became 200. So 100 ka double 200. These all things happening in 8 years. Okay. It means in 8 years what has been added? 100 more has been added. 100 और add हो गया है. 100 था 100 और आ गया. In how many years will it travel? कहता है कि कितने years में travel होगा. तीन गुना कितने टाइम्स में हो जाएगा. तो 100 है, ये 300 होने के लिए कितना लग जाएगा. तो कितना बढ़ना है यहाँ पे. 200 ज्यादा हो रहा है ना. 100 ज्यादा होने के लिए to become 100 more it takes 8
Sir,
years.
16.
Yeah. So to become
16 years.
to become 200 more, it will take 16 years. It will take 16 years.
16 years.
Option A. Okay.
A.
Yeah. A certain sum of money amounts to rupees this much. कितना पैसे है मालूम नहीं, लेकिन वो कितना हो जाता है 1760 in 2 years, 1760 in 2 years, and rupees 2000 in 5 years at simple interest. Then the sum is, then asking sum. What is the sum? Okay. So here we can 2 years, in 2 years this much, in 5 years this much. So in 3 years what is the difference? 2 years में इतना था और 5 years में इतना होगा. तो 3 years में कितना बढ़ा? As we know that simple interest is same for every year. So in 3 year what is the increment?
240.
240.
240. Yeah.
240, correct. 240 in 3 years. 240 in
3 years.
3 years. So in 2 years, what will be the increment? In 2 years, 160.
120.
This is,
160. sorry.
160. Yeah, 160.
this is the 80 times now. So this will be also
Yeah.
80 times. So 160. So in 2 years, this much happened now. It means in 2 years, this much amount has been increased. ये वाला amount बढ़ के इसमें ऐड हुआ है. यही ना.
Yeah.
क्योंकि 2 साल में इंटरेस्ट 160 है, तो इस इंटरेस्ट को हम निकाल देंगे 1760 से. If you take out interest from 1760, you will get 1600. You will get
1600. 1600.
And once you take out the interest, that will be the sum. That will be the principal. Have you got it? 760 a year or 1 minute. Yeah, this one subtract, you will get 1600. Okay.
1600.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. As per Sasi Bhushan demand, again I am explaining this one. Actually, in 2 years, any amount becoming this much. 2 years में कोई भी amount interest के साथ कितना हो जाता है? 1760. And in 5 years, it's becoming 2000. So what is the gap between 2 years and 5 years? 3 years gap. So in 3 years, total increment is 240. Total increment is 240.
240.
3 साल में 240 बढ़ता है. तो 2 years में कितना बढ़ेगा? In 1 year, first of all, in 1 year it will be 60, 80. In 1 year, 80. 240 divided by 240 divided by 3 if you do, then you will get 80. तो 2 years में interest कितना हो जाएगा? 160. 80 multiplied to 160. So here this amount 160. This amount is with the interest. So in this for 2 years interest is this much. Take out this amount, then you will get directly your sum.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If it is okay for last question is okay, then try to this question. I'll give you 2 minutes. Yeah, some of the students already replied 6%. Okay. So if a certain sum of money at simple interest amounts to rupees this much, amounts to rupees this much, $2,800 in 2 years and rupees 3,550 in further 5 years. Here it is the one technical words, 2 years and in further 5 years. In the previous question it was 2 years and 5 years. This word has not been mentioned in the previous question. It means 2 years and 2 years के बाद 5 years और. So what will be the gap between this amount and this amount? 5 years. What will be the gap? 5 years.
5 years.
Yeah, in the previous question it was in 2 years and in 5 years. Okay, it was not mentioned in the previous question. Further 5 years, मतलब 2 years के छोड़ के 5 year और. So we will see the difference. So 2,800 and 3,550. If you subtract
75, 175. Sorry, 75.
yeah, so you will get 750. What will you get?
750. 750.
750 in 5 years. 750 इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है, सिंपल इंटरेस्ट हो गया ना. एक्चुअली अर्लियर ये अमाउंट होता है 2 इयर्स के बाद, लेकिन अगले 5 इयर्स में वही कितना हो जाता है? This much. It means in 5 years interest has been added this much. So in 1 year what will be the interest?
150.
First of all find out 2 years. In 2 years this is the 150
300.
times sum.
One.
So in 2 years it will become 300 because in 1 year 150. In 1 year how would you find out?
150.
How would you find 150? 750 divided by 5. So you will get 150. So in 2 years 300.
150.
So in 2 years 300. So from here you can take out 2 years interest. 2 year interest is 300. So if you take out 2 years
300.
interest, then you will get principal sum. So 2,500 sum.
Yeah, 2,500.
Yeah, but rate of interest is calculated on per year. So we will have to find out the simple interest for 1 year. So for 1 year simple interest will be 150. For 1 year simple interest will be 150. And 150 is the 6% of 150 is the 6% of 2,500.
20.
Yeah. How is it possible?
Yeah.
You will ask a question. 150 is what percent of 2,500? To find out, you will have to make a base 2,500. 150 divided by 2,500 multiply 100. So cut it. You will get 0 0 cancel. 25 6 150. It means 6%. So what you have to do? First of all, you have to find out 1 year, and after that you have to see what is the sum. Sum is 2,500. After that you will have to find out interest for 1 year. So interest you got 150 for 1 year. So you will ask a question. 150 is what percent of 2,500? Okay. In this way you will get rate. मतलब 6% है, 6% 2,500 का 6% एक्स्ट्रा लगेगा 1 ईयर में, दैट इज 150. इज इट ओके एवरीवन?
Yeah.
This question try at your level, okay? Yeah. Sumit lent some money to Mohit at 5% per annum. Mute yourself, Lakshmi. Lakshmi, mute yourself. At 5% per annum simple interest. Mohit lent the entire amount to Birju on the same day at 8.5% per annum. Same day मोहित भी दे दिया बिरजू को, सुमित दे दिया मोहित को बिगिनिंग में 5%, फिर मोहित दे दिया बिरजू को. मोहित को कितने परसेंट पे दिया था? 5%. अब मोहित है जो बिरजू के दे दिया 8.5%. What is the difference between this rate and this rate? Difference is 3.5%. Difference is 3.5. 3.5 का, तो 3.5 मतलब 3.5. तो 3.5% बेनिफिट हो रहा है किसको? मोहित को. मोहित को कितना बेनिफिट हो रहा है? 3.5% का बेनिफिट हो रहा है, क्योंकि सुमित को तो 5% एक्स्ट्रा देगा ना मोहित. Yeah, so here Mohit earning 3.5%. How much Mohit earning? 3.5%. In percentage Mohit earning this much, but in actual he is earning 350 after a year. 1 ईयर में 3.5% का बेनिफिट हो रहा है, लेकिन एक्चुअल में न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू में कितना बेनिफिट हो रहा है? 350. So you can say that 3.5% equal 350. 3.5% equal 350. So find the sum of the money lent by Sumit to Mohit. So 100% you will find out, you will get your answer. So 100% will be what? 3.5% this much. How many times? If you multiply by 10, then you will get 35. So if you multiply by 100, then you will get 350. So this amount is 100 times. So this amount will become also 100 times. So to make any number 100 times, you will have to put 2 0. So put 2 0. So sum became 10,000. Is it clear, everyone?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, how did you minus 5% from 8? No. 5, 6, 7. Oh, sorry, sir. Okay, sir.
8, you can write 8 and half.
Yes, sir.
8.5.
5 minus.
Yeah. Okay. 3.5. Otherwise,
Yes, sir.
fraction also you can do. So that will take you a lot of time. So why we will do like that? It's visible.
Yes, sir.
8.5 to 8.5 में 5% निकाल देंगे तो 3.5 बचेगा. 3.5 मतलब 3.5. Is it okay? All once apply your own mind. All this instruction is common for all of you. Yeah. Now I am explaining. An amount of rupees 4,000 becomes 4,800 in 4 years at simple interest. Here, what was the rate of interest? It is not mentioned. If the rate of interest would have been 1% more, कहता 1% ज्यादा होता, then what would have been total amount? Already क्या था पता नहीं, लेकिन जो भी था उसके कारण 4,000 से 4,800 हो गया. अब अगर 1% ज्यादा होता तो 4 इयर्स में पर एनम 1% ज्यादा, तो 4 इयर्स में टोटल बेनिफिट कितना होता? 4 × 1 4% ज्यादा बेनिफिट मिलता. तो व्हाट विल बी द 4% ऑफ 4,000? 4% of 4,000 is 160. Why? Because 1% is 40. So 4% 44 160. So 160 का बेनिफिट होता अगर 1% ज्यादा होता तो 160 add here. Once you add, then you will get 4960. It means option D. Yeah, same type of question. Once apply your own mind in this.
Sir, what's written after rupee?
Yeah, a sum was put at simple interest at a certain rate for 4 years. कोई sum है उसको 4 years के लिए दिया गया. Had it been put at 2% higher rate, मतलब यहाँ पर भी एक कंडीशन दिया गया है कि अगर 2% ज्यादा पे दिया होता, it would have fetched, मतलब वो लेकर आता 56 rupees more. पहले जितना रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट पता नहीं वो मिसिंग है, लेकिन अगर 2% ज्यादा देते तो 56 रुपीज ज्यादा आता. तो फाइंड द सम. So first of all, in actual it is already given 56 rupees more. In percentage we will see 2% higher na per annum. So in 4 years how much? 8%. In 4 years 4 multiplied to 8% benefit हो जाता अगर 2% ज्यादा होता तो. In this way we can say that 8% equal 56. So to find out sum we will have to find out 100%, because कोई वैल्यू तो स्टार्ट हुआ होगा 100% से ना. तो 100% मतलब अपने आप में बिल्कुल कंप्लीट वैल्यू होता है. So 8%, it means how many times it is? 7 times. 8 7 56. So 107 700. So sum will be 700. It's okay. Mansi, shall I go ahead? Shall I explain?
Yes, sir. No, sir, I have understood.
You understood. Very good. Yeah, Sasi 1200, Lakshmi 1200. Anyone else? Vidya, what is your answer?
1200.
1200, right? Yeah. If the difference between the simple interest on a certain sum, now is as given difference between the simple interest on a certain sum for 4 years at 2.5% per annum. तो पहले तो 2.5% per annum and 4. If you multiply 4 multiply 2.5, then you will get 10%. What will you get? 10%. If you multiply 2, 4 and 2.5. 4 2 is 8 and 4 ka half 2. It means 10%. So in 4 years 10% that will be interest, and the simple interest on the same sum has same for 5 years at 3% per annum. So it will be 15%. You will have to pay 15%. So what will be the difference? सेम सम के लिए 3% पे 5 इयर्स पे है, और सेम सम सेम प्रिंसिपल है उसको 4 इयर्स के लिए 2.5% पे है. तो 2.5% 4 इयर्स में 10% इंटरेस्ट, और 5 इयर्स 3% पर एनम के हिसाब से 15% इंटरेस्ट. तो डिफरेंस इज 5. 15 minus 10 5%. In percentage value difference is 5%, but in actual difference is 60. So how many times percentage and actual? 12 times. So we will have to find out 100%. So this 100% will be also 12 times. So 1200. Is it okay? So answer will be 1200. Here I am going to solve for 1 year, taking 1 year. Just I explained you by both way. So first of all, here try to understand in 1 year. Suppose that Murphy gaining in 4 years 680. So in 1 year he will gain 170. So once again here listen. Murphy borrowed 5,000. 5,000 उधार लिया from जसकीरत से at 5% per annum simple interest से 4 years के लिए. अब वो पैसा, उस पैसे में 5,000 में कुछ ऐड किया. 5,000 में सपोज दैट x रुपीज ऐड किया, ठीक है, और किसको दे दिया वो? एडेड बोरोड मनी में किसको दे दिया? बहादुर को दे दिया सेम पीरियड के लिए, लेकिन इंटरेस्ट ज्यादा ले रहा है. इंटरेस्ट ले रहा है 7%. अर्लियर ही ले रहा था 5%, अब ये ले रहा है 7%. ऐसा करने से उसको मर्फी को 680 रुपीज का बेनिफिट हो रहा है. 680 रुपीज का बेनिफिट, ठीक है. तो देखते हैं 7% एंड 5%. तो 2% डायरेक्टली वो अर्न कर रहा है. कितना अर्न कर रहा है? 2% इन 1 ईयर में, बिकॉज हियर 680 गिवन इन 4 years. But to make it simple, to make this question simple and calculation simple, we have done let it go 680 170 in 1 year में उन लोग का उसको मर्फी को बेनिफिट होगा. तो 1 ईयर में कितना उसे बेनिफिट मिलेगा? 2% का, क्योंकि 5% तो दे देगा जसकीरत को. 5% जसकीरत को दे देगा, लेकिन 2% देख रहे हैं. 5,000 1% 50 होता है, तो 2% कितना हो जाएगा? 100. लेकिन उसको बेनिफिट तो 1 ईयर में 170 हो रहा है ना, तो 70 रुपीज एक्स्ट्रा हो रहा है. ये क्यों हो रहा है 70 रुपीज एक्स्ट्रा? आदित्य 70 रुपीज क्यों एक्स्ट्रा हो रहा है? अभी बताया ना कि नहीं समझ में आया. वंस यू रिप्लाई 70 रुपीज ज्यादा हो रहा है ना. हम लोग उसको अगर वो कुछ पैसा ऐड नहीं करता तो उसको 100 रुपीज बेनिफिट होना चाहिए इन 1 ईयर, बट ही इज गेटिंग इन 1 ईयर 170. 4 इयर्स में 680, तो इन 1 ईयर में 170 रुपीज बेनिफिट. तो 70 रुपीज एक्स्ट्रा क्यों हो रहा है उसे बेनिफिट? क्योंकि कुछ उसमें पैसा ऐड किया था ना. In that Murphy has added some amount. So what was that amount? I don't know what was that amount, but इस पर भी वो 7% चार्ज कर रहा था और इस अमाउंट पे भी 7% चार्ज कर रहा था। 5000 जो लिया था जसकीरत से उस पर भी वो 7% चार्ज कर रहा था और अपने तरफ से जो 100 रुपया ऐड किया है उस पर भी 7% चार्ज कर रहा था। तो 7% के बेनिफिट हो रहा है ना इस अमाउंट पे, क्योंकि इस अमाउंट पे उसको देना है नहीं जसकीरत को, ये तो अपना घर से बनाया है रखा है। तो 7% 100 रुपीज पे दे दिया, वो नहीं दे जसकीरत को नहीं देगा। जसकीरत को किस अमाउंट पे देगा? वो 5000 पे। तो 7% का बेनिफिट जो एक्स्ट्रा हो रहा है वो 70 का है ना। 70% एक्स्ट्रा, 70 रुपीज एक्स्ट्रा हो रहा है। इन परसेंटेज में कितना एक्स्ट्रा ले रहा है? 7%. So we can say 7% equal 70. So 100% equal 100% equal 1000. ये 10 times था, ये भी 10 times, तो 1000। तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि वो एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट कितना ऐड किया था? वो एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट 1000 ऐड किया था। तो हम बताए अभी लिखे है ना कि 5000 है और 100 रुपीज, तो 100 रुपीज की जगह पर अब कर देते हैं यहाँ पे 1000 रुपीज ऐड किया था। अब देखो इस पे 2% का उसको फायदा होगा, तो 2% का फायदा 2% ऑफ 5000 100 और इस पर लेगा वो 7%। क्यों 7% लेगा? क्योंकि ये तो जसकीरत को इस अमाउंट पे जितना भी उसे इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा अपने पास रख लेगा। तो 7% of 1000 is 70. 7% of 1000 is 70. So now benefit is 170 in 1 year. In 4 year it will be 680. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So answer will be B. You can solve it by taking 4 years also completely. First of all, you find out 4 years, after 20%, after that 28%, after that you will get 400 difference. So in that you will get 680, 280 difference. 280 क्यों ज्यादा आ रहा है? क्योंकि 7% पर ईयर ज्यादा चार्ज किया है, क्योंकि जो एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट ऐड किया था उसको फिर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 7 4 28, तो 28% इक्वल 220, तो 10 टाइम्स हो रहा है, तो 100 टाइम्स इक्वल 1000. So in that way also you can solve.